Hello friends, my name is Srishwa, studying in 9th class, Dhani class Jargi. Today I am going to explain about a fundamental unit of cell. This is the microscope in which the scientist had invented the cell. The cell is fundamental unit of life. Cell is the structural and functional unit of life. It is known as structural and functional unit of life because whole body is made up of cell. It is known as fundamental unit of cell life because all functions regulates inside the cell. The cell is the main foundation of our living body, like we are building a home. The bricks are basic foundation. Like in our body, the cells are basic foundation. This is the photo of nucleus. There are types of cells in our body. First one is sperm. The second one is fat cell. Third one is blood cell. Fourth one is smooth muscular cell. The types of cell, there are unicellular and multicellular. Some organs are constituted by the single cell. These organisms are called unicellular. In example for this unicellular are amoeba and paramecium. Second one is multicellular. Some organs are constituted by many cells. These are called multicellular. The example are human beings. This amoeba is the example for the unicellular. This is the structure of amoeba. Paramecium, this is also example for unicellular organisms. Cell consists of different organelles. Inside the cell, the following are there. First one is nucleus, second one is cytoplasm, third one is mitochondria, fourth one is lysosome, fifth one is ribosome, and sixth one is endoplasmic reticulum, plastids, cell wall, and Golgi apparatus. There are also various shapes of cell. Cells are found in various shapes such as round shape, spherical shape, and oval shape, spindle shape, branch shape, etc. Organelles. First one is nucleus. It is a very important organelles of the cell as it regulates all the activities of the cell. The nucleus is the head of the cell. By the nucleus, every activity inside the cell will continue. This is the picture of endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulum. It is the organelle of the cell. It is located around the nucleus of the cell. There are large network like structure. It looks like long tubules or round on oblong bags or vessels. There are two type of endoplasmic reticulum. First one is RER, rough endoplasmic reticulum. Second one is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. The main function of endoplasmic reticulum are detoxification of poisonous material and exchanging of material. The main function of endoplasmic reticulum is to detoxification of poisonous. The endoplasmic reticulum will detoxify the toxics. And function of RER, the function of rough endoplasmic reticulum, is the site of protein and they manufacture proteins. It consists of many ribosomes, and so the surface is rough. They named after rough endoplasmic reticulum, RER. Golgi apparatus. Golgi Camillo Golgi, a famous biologist and a scientist, recognized the Golgi body in the nerve cell. They are located in the nerve cell as well as in every part of the cell. There are in parallel way. It consists of systematic of membrane bounded vessels arranged approximately parallel to each other in stacks called misters. The main function of Golgi body include the storage, the modification and packing of product in vessels. It helps in the synthesis of lysosomes. This is the figure of Golgi apparatus. The lysosomes. They are known as suicidal bags of the cell. Why they are called as suicidal bags of cell? Because when it has a enzyme which will dissolve the waste. Whenever the lysosome gets disturbed, the enzyme spread all over the cell. By this enzyme, the whole cell will dissolve. They look like rounded bodies consist of digestive enzymes. Lysosomes act as cleaners or sweepers of the cell. Lysosomes act as suicidal bags as they consist a powerful digestive enzymes. This is the figure of lysosome. Mitochondria. It is known as the powerhouse of the cell, as it helps in production of ATP, adenosine triphosphate. Mitochondria have two membrane covering, in which outer membrane is porous in nature, while the inner membrane is deeply folded. It is double membrane structure, outer membrane porous and inner membrane deep folded to create large surface area of ATP generation chemical reaction. ATP, adenosine triphosphate, in the energy currency of the cell. It used for ranking new chemical compounds for mechanical work. This is the figure of mitochondria. Then plastids, they present only in plant cell. They are absent in animal cell. There are two type of plastids. First one is chromoplast, colored plastids. Second one is leucoplast, colorless of white plastids. Plastids with chlorophyll pigment are called as chloroplast. They can be green, red, yellow, and brown. This chloroplast will help to photosynthesize depending upon the types of pigment. Function of the plastids. Chloroplast are known as kitchen of the cell. It helps in synthesis of food by the process of photosynthesis. Leucoplast store the materials such as starch, oil, and protein. Chromoplast impart colors to flowers, which helps in pollination. This is a figure of plastids. Then vacuole, the storage sacks of solids or liquid material. Vacuoles are large and numerous in plant cell and small in human animal cell. They are small or absent in animal cell. This is the figure of nucleus. Thank you. Thank you for watching video and subscribe.